Welcome to Gemfind training on the Magento platform. Today, I'll be giving you an overview of CMS, showing you how to update existing pages, creating static blocks, and inserting static blocks. To get started, you'll want to go to your website's URL, and at the end of it, add a / and the word admin, which will bring you to this page, which in turn you can just enter your username and password and click Login. This is your Magento dashboard. Find a lot of useful information on here. There's a variety of different things you can do. Today we're focusing specifically on CMS. So in the top center of the gray navigation bar, go ahead and highlight CMS with your cursor. Then we'll go to the first tab underneath and go to Pages. This table will basically display all the pages that are currently on your site. To make changes to a page, you'll first need to find the page that you want to change. So for an example, I'll use About Us. This first tab will basically give you some information about this page, like the page title, the URL key, and the status. The next tab, underneath page information on the left-hand side, is called Content. From here, you'll see all the content that's on this page. You can view it in two ways, either visually or in code. You can make changes to it either way as well, and you can switch between how you view it by clicking Show Hide Editor on the top left-hand side of this table. This is what this page looks like on the live site. Before making any changes, I always highly recommend that you copy the code and paste it into Notepad. This way, if there's any issues with the changes that you've made, you can always revert back. So if you want to make changes to this page, for example, we'll take the first paragraph. Basically, just have to go here and find it where it starts. So this is where the first paragraph starts right here in the code, and visually, this is where the first paragraph starts. If you're confident enough, I always highly recommend that you change it here, just to make sure you don't delete or change any of the formatting, because that makes a huge difference on how it'll be seen on the website itself. Once you've made your changes, click Save and Continue Edit. You can go back to the actual website and refresh so you can view and check the changes you've made to make sure there are no issues. Next are static blocks. So if we go again up to the CMS tab, click on Static Blocks. Now this is where all the static blocks are for your page. And basically what a static block is just a chunk of HTML that you can use throughout your website. So it's good for return policies, size charts, seasonal banners, and so on. So to create a new static block, you'll want to click Add New Block. You want to create a title for your block. So for this one, I'll just put Coming Soon. An identifier, which again, I'll just put Coming-Soon. Make sure that it's enabled and then enter your content below. So again, I'll just put Coming Soon. Once done, just go ahead and click Save Block. And I wasn't able to save this because there's already one here, but basically, this is what I created. To use your new static block, you'll need to set it up on a catalog page. So on the top navigation bar, third one from the left is called Catalog. Underneath Catalog, you want to click Manage Categories. So to show you how to insert a static block, I'm going to go ahead and add a new designer. To do so, you want to make sure you have designers highlighted on the left-hand side. You'll want to click Add Subcategory. Then you want to enter the designer's name, so I'll use designer X. Active, yes. URL key, designer-x. Since I'm going to be inserting a static block, I don't really need to enter anything else here. You can add meta keywords if you'd like. To add the block, you want to go to Display Settings. And under display mode, you can do it one of two ways, static block only or static block and products. Since I don't have any products on this page, I'm going to put static block only. And we'll choose CMS block is the static block we're going to use. So for this one, I'm going to choose Coming Soon. Then from there, just go ahead and click Save Category. And you can go back to your website, go to our designer page, and there is Designer X. And there's our static block. If you want to delete that, just go back. Go ahead and click Delete Category on the top right-hand side of this page. Then again, go back to your website, reload, and no more Designer X. So if you have any questions about any information found in this video, please give us a call at 800-373-4373. Or you can send us an email to support@gemfind.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video. And as always, thank you for being an important part of the Gemfind community.